Welcome, massage therapists. I've created this massage therapy instructional series because I am concerned about the massage therapists that are coming out of school now and they're not being trained properly. They're being given a lot of theory and then they're being pushed out into the world and they don't have the details and the specific information and the rest of the background information in order to be successful. I've been a massage therapist 25 years. I've done tens of thousands of hours of massage therapy, and I'm concerned about the new people coming that do not know how to do this properly. So what this massage therapy video series is comprising is Swedish massage, and the most important thing with the Swedish is that you have such attention to the detail, all the transitions, everything, so that people rave about you. You want people to actually rave about you and tell all of their friends. And the second part of this series is specifics on how to fix problems. And so we're going to talk about carpal tunnel syndrome. We're going to talk about how to fix tendinitis. We're going to talk about frozen shoulders, how exactly to fix frozen shoulders and how to know whether you can or not, because there are different kinds of frozen shoulders. We're going to talk about torticollis, stiff neck, wry neck, and how to fix that. And we're going to also do sciatic and low back problems and exactly how to fix those. Now, in a slow economy, that is the most important thing for you to know, is how to fix people. Swedish massage will sometimes, people will not come in for a Swedish massage, but they will always spend money if they have a problem that needs fixing. And if you're the person that knows how to fix it, they will tell everybody. And so this is so very important. What I want is for, if a client comes in to see you and they've got torticollis, wry neck, and they cannot rotate their head, I want you, by the time you're done, to be able to get them to absolutely rotate their head and for them to, the client to rave about you. And the specifics, areas, muscles, how much, what the after therapy is that you do is going to enable you to achieve that kind of a result for your client. I want you to be able to heal people, and I want you to be able to make a good living. And this is what this series is about, is the rest of the information that you did not get in school. So I'd like you to take part in this. It's relatively inexpensive, and we are launching this instructional series, and I want you to be able to get the most out of your life and career as a massage therapist. So come back with us and learn a whole lot. Thank you.